Hi everyone, my name is Delene Grant and welcome to my presentation on Nicolini Law Firm damages. That's my experience, okay? Please feel free to pause and read if I'm going too fast. I'm just going to try and give an overview, okay? Thank you. 2018 was a bit extensive, so I've placed it into three parts. So 2018, this is part 1 of 3, okay? Criminal Act Number 1, acted under false pretense. I lost my job of 20 years because I trusted the Bible did say, because I trusted, okay? The Bible did say, trust no man. Adrian Nicolini, Wsib lawyer, Nicolini Law, when he agreed with the specialist that I should not return to work with my injury, this lawyer played his part for Bell Mobility to terminate my job. Bell Mobility had tried several times prior but was unsuccessful, okay? Plan A, Nicolini Law Firm, January to May 2018, okay? Interaction via emails between Adrian Nicolini, Wsib lawyer, and Man Life Insurance. I also provided information to Adrian Nicolini due to the deception of Man Life Insurance and Mobility, right? Man Life Insurance placed my job on the line, so I kept Adrian Nicolini informed, okay? I felt comfortable with Adrian Nicolini's involvement as a Wsib lawyer since he was able to respond effectively to Man Life Insurance and Mobility's lawyer. I did not realize that it was all an act, okay? I was unaware of this letter to Man Life Insurance, to Adele Belzile, January 5th, 2018. I had retained Nicolini Law for WSIB. Why was this this was on the docket sheet? I will get to that in another presentation, okay? All right. I thought when Adrian Nicolini had to communicate on my behalf, right, due to deception of Man Life Insurance in 2017, I thought he responded as my WSIB lawyer, right? I was unaware that a consent form was required for him to act on my behalf. However, instead of inviting me into the office to sign the consent form, this lawyer's office forged my signature, okay? I didn't see him on this day, didn't know anything about this, all right? Until after everything, I got information, so that's where I got this letter, all right? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. And as a matter of fact, forgery of signature number 1, okay? Adrian Nicolini, WSIB lawyer, was aware of the deception of Mobility and Man Life Insurance, okay? Since WSIB lawyer was responding on my behalf, I felt I was in good hands because of the law, okay? So as you can see, proof, when Man Life copied it, whenever I get a letter, email from Man Life, Adele Belzile, she would copy Adrian Nicolini, okay, for whatever. So he's understanding everything, okay? And here, his assistant, Ashlyn Lisa Steele, okay? She also responded. This was from Adele on January 16, 2018, and Ashlyn from Nicolini Law Firm responded on the 17th of January 2018. I can read. I've been through this already regarding Man Life, okay? So just that you know, the lawyer was kept in the loop and they have been responding. So I thought all was well, okay? Please feel free to read. And this was what Ashlyn provided again to Man Life, that she's in agreement with Dr. Silverberg's report and all that. So she included it in her email to Man Life. So I've brought it to your attention and a cleaner view for you to pause and read. Okay, thank you. February 2018. Still ongoing. At this point in time, February 2nd, see to Adrian Nicolini, Okay, and I was copied in on it. They were waiting on the as per Adele, right? She sent a functional form to my physician. Okay, I remember that from my previous presentation. All right, and then I responded where that was concerned because my doctor refused to assist. So I told Adrian that the Dr. Silverberg's office was closed, and they did say when it's open they would take care of it. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Here, 27, I had questions because I wasn't understanding what was really going on. So this is the information that I have provided to Adrian Nicolini. Okay, information provided to WSIB lawyer in February 2018, documenting my journey with tenosynovitis. If you can read, please feel free to pause and read. Okay, and this February 2nd, when I got this letter from Money Life, which was stating the reason why I was basically denied, right, and that my job was low risk and all that, because this was where she was saying, that was Adele from Money Life Insurance. She was saying that the report was done on our job duties was done in January. Okay, feel free to pause and read. I already went through with this. Okay, thank you. And here a letter saying that we have 51% of idle time. We already went through that. Okay. And here, Money Life, I was threatened by Money Life to see their doctor. They said that if I would be suspended, benefits would be suspended should you decide not to attend this appointment. And as I said, Adrian Nicolini was copied in on all this, and he's told me to attend. Okay, and I was even thinking of attending. I didn't have anything to hide. It was obvious that my hand was swollen and was in pain. Okay. I have also forwarded this report to Adrian Nicolini from Dr. Silverberg. So he has this report in his possession, dated February 10, 2018. Okay. And Adrian Nicolini, I brought these two together because Adrian Nicolini received also a copy of the report, this fall's report, from Money Life Insurance specialist. Okay, the report was biased, so he is aware of the report, and I told him that I was never examined by this doctor, only sat and questioned for an hour. That is why I use the word psychoanalyze, because I don't know, certain questions, just I was wondering what it has to do with my injury. Okay, this was the correct report from Dr. Silverberg, who actually examined me, and he made his recommendation and all that, which was ignored by Money Life. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. The WSIB lawyer, Adrian Nicolini, was aware of all this. Okay. February 10, 2018, and the assessment was done after. So I'm getting somewhere. Okay. Bias report, as I said, we already went through this. All right. Please pause and read. Please feel free to pause and read as I go along, because we already went through this. I've included it just for confirmation that Adrian Nicolini, WSIB lawyer, got this report also. Okay, he's aware of everything there. March 2018 to April 2018. Okay. Based off the report from Money Life Insurance specialist, Dr. Erin Boynton, right? She had stated in a report that my hand is just fat. Okay. So I brought this to your attention before, and as you can see, my hand here, This my hand actually looks the form, as you can see. Feel free to pause and read if you wish. Thank you. I know that I've been through this with you already. However, I just included it and others because this is now Nicolini's Law's turn. Adrian Nicolini. Okay? Just want to show you proof that Adrian Nicolini was acting on my behalf in responding to Manulife Insurance, Adele Belzile. Okay? As I mentioned before, Manulife ignored Dr. Silverberg's report on February 10th, threatened me to see their specialist on the 21st of February. Okay? And their specialist, Manulife specialist, was very biased in her report. So the report was actually in favor of Manulife Insurance. Okay? And before they distributed the report, they actually sent a consent form for me to sign. Oh, no, definitely not. Yeah, because to me, if I sign, it simply means that I am accepting this false report from their specialist, the insurance specialist, right, which would have overridden Dr. Silverberg's report. Hope you're understanding me, okay? And are you in agreement with me here, right? So on March 23rd, this is a second email from Adele to Adrian, right? I was copied in on it, and it says, we did not hear back from you on this. We now have the assessment results and will be able to provide the report shortly. We require to obtain the attached consent form, right, signed by your client to be able to share the report with the treating physicians. Mark you, physicians, meaning that if I should sign this consent form, right, Dr. Silverberg would have received a copy of this false report, which in other words, I consented that it override his report, his true report on my injury, and the report will also go to my family doctor, Dr. James Chang. The report to go to the lawyer, report to go to me, right? Wow. So second attempt, I did not respond, and Adrian did not respond. Okay, Adrian Nicolini, that is the Wsib lawyer, and this is the letter, long-term disability information year attachment, for me to sign the form for consent. All right, please feel free to pause and read, and we'll see you over on part 2 of 2018. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Okay.